of you over there, those who have got selection in numerous universities all over India for your higher education, let's say master's programs, MTech, MS, PhD programs. Yourpedia has started this profile membership domains for all of you, where we make those of you who are pursuing your higher education, we are making you the profile members of Yourpedia. Now, what is the meaning of profile member and why you should become profile member? What is the advantage to you? What is the advantage to Yourpedia and rest of the students? I am going to discuss that. Profile member, that particular student who has got selected in MTech, MS or PhD in Indian universities, different universities, and when I am saying different universities, I am saying all the universities, not only IIT, NIT or something, all universities. So those of you who have joined master's program in India, any universities in India, they can become profile member of Yourpedia. You should have decided finally that okay, I want to join this college and this program. Now, what is the meaning of that? Master's program, as you know, Yourpedia is the platform which is motivating and guiding students to join higher education courses in India and globally, world over. And we are trying to tell that yes, doing higher education seriously provides you career opportunities, placement opportunities, not only India, abroad also, and that is what we are trying to do. Now, in this entire process, knowledge is very important. The knowledge which is disseminated on Yourpedia, the knowledge which we provide on Yourpedia to all of you, that knowledge somewhere is attained from you only. I mean, I keep on interacting with many of you, you must have seen on our website, I keep on interacting with students of different domain, different research areas. They keep on telling me the information, I keep on passing that information further. Now, this process has to be very, very systematic and exhaustive. This has to be comprehensive. As of now, if you ask me, I am not in position to interact with the student of each department, each institute. And whenever I interact with any one of you, lot of information comes from your side. And I want to make this entire process very systematic. That simply means I want to create entire profile of researchers on Yourpedia. Let me give you an example. A small research area I take, let's say clean energy or sustainable energy. So those of you who are doing your masters, MTech, MS, PhD in NIT Warangal, in NIT, let's say Kurukshetra, in let us say IIT Bombay, wherever, different institutes in sustainable energy, I will get to know, okay, these are the guys who are in sustainable energy. I'll keep on getting information from you. What information, what kind of research area is going on, how it is going on, what is the domain. I will try to connect all of you. One profile member will be in position to see the profile of other members also. Only profile member can have access to the profile of other members also. Like suppose you are doing your MTech in sustainable energy in particular university and you want to know what is happening in other university, what guys are doing, what people are doing. So I will, you can see their profile and you can basically interact with them. Interaction, collaboration is a very, very important domain in present knowledge economy. It helps us to make right decision, it helps us to understand from others, get knowledge from others and take right decision for our career also. Not only this information is important for you, this information is very important for those students who are still in graduation and they look forward to have career in this direction. Once you join Yourpedia profile member domain, what is the advantage to you? Number one, you can have access to the profile member profiles of others. Number two, those of my students who have gone to jobs and global universities doing PhD over there, we can interact with them, I can connect you with them and you can get information from them also. Somebody working in industries related to sustainable development or energy science, I will connect you to them as and when I get opportunity and I get the linkages, I will do that. That is what I am trying to do as a teacher, as a mentor. I am trying to link you with those who are in industries or those who are in global universities. Maybe it will be helpful to you. So whenever you ask me, sir, can you give the contact number of this fellow? I need some information from him. We try to do that. That is a collaboration, And the best thing is like everybody is ready to help others. Like some student who is in sustainable energy, now is working in industry, is ready to help others also. He is ready to share the information with others also. That is one thing. Second, as you know, Yourpedia is going ahead with the extensive mentoring and counseling program for higher education abroad. So if you are a profile member, you will be offered obviously some kind of discount on our services. If you are a profile member, you get yourself your profile with YourPedia, you get recorded your interaction with me, you will get a profile number, and quoting that number you can always get information from us, some exclusive information which we send only to profile members, and also on all our counseling, consultancy services and educational services you get the advantage benefit in form of some kind of discount. So that is another advantage for that. Now all you have to do is you have to provide your details on the Google form which we have attached. You have to provide your details there, and then I will get back to you, my executives will get back to you, and they will schedule your interaction with me. 5 to 10 minutes interaction on Zoom interaction we will have. In that you are going to give me your information, your details, which institute you have joined, something like that, and I will keep on interacting with you once in a 6 months, so that I keep on getting where you are heading, which direction you are heading, what are you doing. And you know, there are certain things which we have to resolve, certain myths we have to resolve. Number one myth, that higher education में कुछ नहीं रखा, उससे कोई opportunities नहीं मिलती, उससे career नहीं बनता. Only career PSU की job से बनता है, higher education से नहीं बनता. This is a myth. In my opinion, if you do your masters seriously, if you do pursue your higher research seriously, not only you get very good job through placement in industries, corporate, but obviously also there is a great help to the economy, because economy develop होती है technology से, और तुम लोगों के पास टेक्नोलॉजी होना चाहिए, टेक्नोलॉजी एक्सपर्टीज होना चाहिए, स्किल होना चाहिए, और वो हायर एजुकेशन से स्किल आता है. नंबर टू, Indians are very good, technocrats of Indian technocrats are very good in their domains, so you can always go to top 500 global universities. Not only you will earn resources for India there, but you will be becoming the guiding members for others also, and we can set a very healthy trend where you can pursue your higher education from globally best universities, and when you come back, or where you can contribute to India also in the form of your knowledge, you can contribute back also, and that is a mission on which YourPedia is working as of now. So in that, your contribution will be very, very important. I hope you understood little bit about this. So join us, be the profile member of YourPedia and fill this form. We will get back to you, I will interact with you, I will record session with you, and that session will be stored in YourPedia, and that will become a very good repository of knowledge, and you can access others also, and we all together can share knowledge for the benefit of all of us. Hope you understood this point. So be the profile member, and thanks a lot.